ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसभाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Let us supply Karmani Prayaha to the Kartari Vakya and then try some sentences or lessons. You can take lessons, either sentences from Anton book or Infant Reader. Infant Reader, randomly we can take any lesson. Which lesson you want to do? Central. We will read the Vakyas which are in the whatever the Lakara, present tense or past tense, whatever it is. We will do the Karmani of that. Both Karmani Prayoga as well as we can use Nishta Pratyaya, that is Ta or Tavatu Pratyaya. So the Tavatu Pratyaya, Nishta Pratyaya already we have seen. Ta Tavatu, they denote past. Tavatu denotes the Karta and in Bhute Arte. And Ta Pratyaya denotes Karma. For Karmani Prayoga it is. And it will denote, that also denotes past. And Karmani Prayaga also, the last class before, yes, we have seen. So we can take any lesson, which lesson you want, just to do it with Abhyasa only. We have covered the topic. There's nothing else in this to teach further. So just exercise. So which lesson you like from the Infant Reader? 30 lessons are there.
Just a second, Guruji.
Second lesson. Huh?
No, just a minute, I see.
Second lesson is nothing. I thought I am Ajaha. Not I think Dvivachanam only.
No. I meant to say, I'll just check the book.
At least after 10th lesson, you need to say after 10th lesson, up to 30 lessons in between, whatever lesson you want.
Okay.
But it's good to practice, all the lessons also. It is you develop language, you will be able to say things spontaneously. Vasha Abhyasaha Bhavati. So we can do all also. Sorry?
Ekadasha Pataha, Veena, Ghanta.
Okay. In fact, that is where from there only you can do also. up to 10 lessons. Even fifth or sixth lessons. Fifth or
Okay.
sixth, yeah. That also it starts actually. The Karakas are introduced.
Okay.
Panchama Pataha. Okay, I will do it from here.
Okay.
We are going to do quickly.
Ashwaha.
We are going to do quickly, so it helps you to develop the language. Okay, it's purely, from the language perspective, we will do. We know all this. We have read this lesson, right? Before, third lesson. This all in present tense, Kartari Prayoga only, no Karmani here. So we can do any Lakara, any Lakara and Karmani Prayoga and Nishta Pratyaya also. Karmani and Nishta is something new add-ons. Previously, I think we have done for all the Lakaras. All the Lakara meaning let, lung and lot and link. Okay. That also we will do. So let us take this sentence. Saratihi Ratam Nayati. So I'm not going to type. Typing will take time.
Yes, Guruji.
Saratihi Ratam Nayati.
Ratham Sarathi.
No, it's okay. Not when after I tell you tell. Kaha Lakaraha. Lat Lakaram. Lat Lakaraha. Prayogaka tu Kartari. So let Kartari.
Let Kartari.
Yeah, means let Kartari, right?
Yeah.
Saratihi. Now let Karmani.
Sarathina
Ratam Niyate. Nayate should become Niyate. You should do all the calculations in your mind. Ni dhatu plus yak plus say. Simple, in fact. Nothing happens. No, ni plus yak plus te. No Angakarya. Only Lakara that, you have to do Angakarya Shabd comes. Here yak only. Yak is not a Gana Vikarana. So Niyate. And Lang Kartari. Okay.
Sarathihi Ratam Anayat.
Anayata.
Anayata. And I think the ni dhatu is Ubepadi. Atava?
Sarathina Ratam.
No. Ni dhatu Ubepadi in Lang Kartari. Anayat or Anayata?
Anayata.
Ubepadi, right? Atmanipadi also possible. Lang Karmani?
Same. Anayata.
No. Lang Karmani.
Sarathina Ratam Anayata.
Nayata.
Aniyata. No, not Anayata. Anayata. Naya, when you say it is Shat. It is Kartari. Niyate. Niyante. Let Karmani. Aniyata. Aniyanta is like alabata. Sorry. Aniyata. Labhyata. Ni plus yak plus ta. Niyata. Atagaba. Aniyata. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So Aniyata. Sarathina Rataha.
Aniyata.
So Aniyata is now lung. So equivalent Nishtha Pratyaya we can do for both Kartari and Karmani. Now let us do Kartari. Tavatu Pratyaya.
Neetavan.
Saratihi Ratam
Neetavan.
Now Ta Pratyaya. When I say you understand, it is Karmani. You know it.
Neetaha.
Neetaha.
Sarathina Rataha.
Neetaha.
So only for lung we have to do Tavatu. Now Lord Kartari.
Niyatam. Sarathina Ratham Niyatam.
I am asking Lord Kartari. Okay.
Niyatu.
Okay.
Nayatu. Saratihi Ratam Nayatu. Let the Sarathi bring a chariot. Lord Kartari. Now Lord Karmani. Here you can say.
Niyatam.
Niyatam. Sarathina Rataha. Not Ratam. Rataha. Niyatam. Now Ling Kartari.
Niyeta.
No. You have to, when I say Kartari means you cannot say Niyat. Okay. Nayet. Saratihi Ratam. Nayet. Ling Kartari. Now Ling Karmani.
Sarathina Rathaha Niyata. Niyeta.
Sarathina Ratham
Niyeta.
Niyeta.
Niyeta. Right?
Hmm.
Because it is Yeta. You have the chart with you. Then
Yeah.
simple, in fact, it is Ni plus Yeta, Niyeta.
Niyeta.
Niyeta, Niyeyata, Niye,
Yeran.
Niyeran.
Yeran.
Yeran. Even Ya will come. Yeran. Ni Yeran.
Niyeran.
It comes only by practice. I think from here onwards we can do as many sentences we can. Okay, this is open to all. Anybody can say. That's why not individually. Or if you want to do individually also, we can do. Kapayaha palani kadanti. I will ask you answer. Lat kartari. This is right.
Hmm.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Lat karmani.
Phala.
Kapibhihi falani khadyante.
Yes, very good. Lang kartari.
Kapayah falani akhadan.
Khadan.
Kadan. Lang karmani.
Kapibhihi falani.
Did you say kapibihi?
Kadyanta.
Kapayaha palani akadan. I don't know what you said. Okay. Kapayaha palani akadan. That's what you said, I think. Kartari. Kartari. That's fine. No, I heard.
Kapibhihi.
Kapibihi is for karmani. Yeah, tell. Lang karmani. Is it difficult, huh?
Kapayaha is only singular, Guruji. So it becomes, how does it
Kapayaha
become
is
singularity?
kapihi kapi.
Kapayaha is Bhagavachan. Okay. Kapi, kapayaha. Like Adishabda. Fine. There's no, there should not be any doubt in that. Huh? Lang
No, I
karmani,
got
do
it.
it now. Karmani.
Kapibhihi falani akhadanta.
Palani akadyanta.
Akadyanta.
Okay. So now lang kartari we did, right? Lang kartari is kapayaha palani
Danta.
akadanta. Now equivalent tavatu pratyaya would be
Aditavantah.
kaditavantaha. Kapayaha palani kaditavantaha. Now lang karmani you did. Kapibihi palani akadyanta. Now equivalent ta pratyaya
Aditah.
Adatah.
kaditani.
Aditani.
Kapibihi palani kaditani. Okay. So lang only we will do the four forms. Lang, I mean not lang past tense. Lang kartari, lang karmani, then bhute tavatu, bhute ka.
Yeah.
Then lot and ling only, each one two forms. Lot kartari would be
Khadyantu. Kapaya falani khadyantu.
kapeha palani kadantu.
Adantu.
Kadantu, not kadyantu. Kadyantu is you are adding yakka as well as Parasmapadi. Combination of both, wrong combination. Kadantu. Kapeha palani kadantu. Now lot karmani would be, first you form the kriya padam in your mind and joined with the karma. Okay, and then it's a
Kadyantam.
kadyantam. Very good.
Kadyantam.
Palani kadyantam. Kena.
Kapibhihi.
Kapibihi. So karmani, first you have the kriya padam, find karma, you put it in pratama, you say that, and then you can add karta. Okay. Kapibihi palani
Kadyantam.
kadyantam. No. Ling kartari. Kartari. Simple. You have to change only the kriya padam.
Kadyeyu.
Kadyeran.
Kadyeyuhu.
Kadyeyuhu.
Bhavet bhavetam bhaveyuhu. Kadet kadyetam. Kadet kadyetam. Kadeyuhu. Not kadyeyuhu. No?
Kadeyuhu.
Kadeyuhu. Kadeyuhu. So kapayaha palani kadeyuhu. This is, yeah, that is kartari. Now karmani, ling karmani.
Kadyeran.
Kadyeran.
Kadyeran. Kadyeta, kadyeyatam, kadyeran. So palani kadyeran. Kaihi kapibihi.
Kapibhihi.
Now next one. Arihi griham gacchati lat kartari. Lat karmani would be, gacchati will become
Agachat.
Agachat.
Lat karmani is lat
Not
karmani.
karmani, sorry.
Gamyate.
Hmm.
Agachat is past tense, right?
Gamyate.
We are doing a lat kartari. Lat kartari we have, it's there. Lat karmani we are doing. So gamyate.
Harina gamyate. Harina
Harina graham gamyate. Right? Now, lang kartari. Here you can say
Griham agachat.
agachat. Equivalent tavatu rupam.
Gatavan.
Gatavan.
Arihi graham gatavan. Lang karmani.
Gataha.
Lang
Lang
karmani.
karmani,
Okay.
sorry.
Agam-
Agamyata.
Agamyata. Very good. Harina graham agamyata. Equivalent gataha. Gatam.
Gataha.
Harina graham gatam. Okay. Lord kartari. Yeah, Lord kartari.
Gachatu.
Arihi gachatu graham. Karmani. Gam.
Gamyatam.
Harina graham
Gamyatam.
gamyata. Ling kartari. Arihi graham
Gachet.
gachet. Parasmepadi. Dhatu. Ling karmani.
Gamyet.
Gamyeta.
Gamyeta. Sorry. Gamyeta.
Harina graham gamyeta. But you do like this, all the sentences of main lessons. You will develop the bhasha.
Really,
That is.
that will be a real good exercise.
Actually, that is how bhasha abhyasa to be done. So do all these things mentally quick, then spoken comes. I seen in my class, though I say take some classes in Sanskritam, I say something, but for students it's difficult to pick up. It means you have to, Sanskrita Bharati, Shibiram and all, you are forced to talk in Sanskritam. That's no choice. Even when you talk to your fellow students or something, 10 days you stay there, you are forced to talk. But this is one way, monologue only in doing class. So the response, when I ask in Sanskritam, the response will be in English. So therefore, we don't develop. This is a big thing, drawback. You have to take Sankalpa to answer only in Sanskritam. Then it will be a two-way communication.
Guruji.
Ashvaha Trinam Charanti Lat Kartari.
Charati.
Sorry, Lat Karmani would be now. Okay, I didn't say that.
Ashvaihi.
Charyate.
Charyate. Lat Karmani is Charyate. Okay. Now, Lang Kartari.
Charyatu.
No. I'm saying Lang Lakara. Okay.
Acharya.
Ashvaha Trinam Acharanna. Acharanna.
Acharan.
Please listen. I'm saying Lang Kartari.
Yes.
When you hear me, you have to hear correctly. I'm saying Kartari. Okay. Then Kartari means how come? Then Acharya will come. Charan only. Acharanna. Now equivalent Tavatu.
Charitavantaha.
Charitavantaha. Ashvaha Trinam Charitavantaha. This Nishta Pratyaya, this we'll be using frequently in the language, spoken language. Even in the Bhashya also you will see Nishta Pratyaya. It's easy. That's why we use instead of doing Lang Lakara. Agam Gatavan, Aham Yaham, Apan Gatavan, Petra Kutra Chitta Gatavan, Agam Gatavan. We use it frequently. Okay, then Lam Karmani.
Acharyanta.
Ashvaihi.
Ashvaihi Trinam Acharyanta Karmani. And Bhutekta Pratyaya would be Trinam Ashvaihi Trinam
Charitam.
Char plus Ta Pratyaya Charitam. Now Lot Kartari.
Charyantu.
Not Charyantu.
Charantu.
No yakara, sorry. Charantu.
Ashvaha Trinam Charantu. Lot Karmani.
Charyantam.
Ashvaha Trinam Charyantam. Ling Kartari.
चरेयुः
चर्येयुः
चर्येयुः
अश्वः
चर्येयुः
तृणं चरेयुः.
चरेयुः
लिङ् कर्मणि
चर्येरन्
चर्येरन्
चर्येरन्. Okay. बालौ जलं. Now we are द्विवचनं. बालौ जलं आनयतः. लट् कर्तरि. Now लट् कर्मणि would be आनयताम्. कर्मणि रूपम्
आनयन्तो
नयतः अन्ते बालाभ्यां जलं
यन्ते sorry यन्ते not yanto yante.
The dhatu is anayata already. Nayati we have seen. Now karmani we are doing. So let karmani. Niyate.
Niyate.
That's it.
नीयते आनयते
Ani.
बालाभ्यां जलम् आनयते
आनीयन्ते.
So niyate, niyante.
Second.
Aniyete.
Aniyete.
Aniyete. Balabhyam. Sorry. This karmani we are doing. Jalam is ekavachanam only. Shamita. Okay. Therefore, aniyate. Balabhyam jalam. Aniyate. Okay. Jalam is ekavachanam. Okay. Let karmani. Then lam kartari would be anayatah balau jalam. This is simple, huh? You should not struggle for this.
आनयत
आनयतम्
आनयताम्
Anayatam only. A plus A will become A only. Balu jalam
आनयताम्
anayatam. Don't get worried by the upasarga. Upasarga you can add later. Right? This is lang kartari. Equivalent tavat would be Balu jalam
आनीत
antau. Yes, correct. Anitavantau. Now lang karmani would be
आनीयेताम्.
आनीयत जलम् आनीयत बालाभ्यां
jalam
जलम् आनीयत
aniyata. Jalam is ekavachanam. Balabhyam jalam aniyata. Equivalent rupam would be
आनीतम्
Balabhyam jalam anitam. This we use. Jalam anitam. Kena or kaihi kabhyam anitam. Okay. Lot kartari. Balau jalam
आनयत
आनयताम्
आनयताम्
Lot karmani.
बालाभ्यां
Jalam
आनयताम्.
आनयताम्
आनीयताम्.
lot karmani would be ni plus yak plus
आनीयताम्
आनीयताम्
it is okay. Lot kartari already we did anayatu. Right? Balu jalam anayatam. Okay. Anayatam. Okay. Anayatam. And here karmani we are doing. Okay. Balabhyam jalam
आनीयताम्
Aniyatam. Yes, niyatam. And okay, is because of the upasarga. Okay, aniyatam. Okay, that's what I. Okay. Then link kartari would be
आनीयेताम्.
balu jalam. No, kartari.
नयेताम् नयेताम्
Ane it's upasarga is there. Okay.
आनेताम्
Anayetam.
Anayetam. That's what I said.
Yes. Then ling karmani would be
Anayeta.
आनयत
yes. Anayeta. Okay. Plus not anayata. Aniyata.
Aniyata.
Aniyetam.
आनीयरन्
Ni plus yak plus ta only, right? Is it not ni plus yak plus ta? Yes. So yata labhyeta yatam labhyeran. Similarly, so this is karmani we are doing. So ni plus yata only ling lakara. I mean yeta. Yeta. So, yeah, ni yeta. Okay. Not nayeta, right? Ni yeta. Ani yeta. will be the form. Balabhyam jalam aniyeta.
Aniyeta.
Yes. Okay. Because of upasarga, then sometimes that a doesn't come. If we say a means the lung, not the lung, the thought occurs. Okay, anyway. So there's something very which can be practiced on it. Nripatayaha, next one. Nripatayaha ashwan aroganti. Lat kartari. Now, lat karmani would be. Aroganti will become, here also upasarga is there. Ashwan karma.
Arohayante.
Hmm?
Arohayante.
No. Ro will not be, it won't be ro.
Aruhyante.
Rugyante. Arukhyante.
Aruhyante. Okay.
K.
Nrupati
Kaigi. Nripatibhihi ashvaha arukhyante.
Sorry, what was that, Guruji?
Nripatibhihi ashvaha arukhyante. Rugyante, arukhyante. Lat karmani, right? Now, lung would be
Nrupatayaha ashwan arohan.
arohan, good. And equivalent tavatu.
Arohitvantaha.
No. Nripatayaha is aruda. It becomes
Arudha.
dakara.
Arudhavanta.
Aruda vantaha. Nripatayaha ashvan aruda. Arudavan, arudavanto, arudavantaha. Nripatayaha ashvan arudavantaha. Right? Done. Lang karmani.
Arohayanta.
Aruhyanta.
Nripatibhihi ashvaha.
Aruhyanta.
Yes. Arukhyanta. We are doing Arughyanta karmani, right? Arughyata only, right? Okay, Ashvaka Bhagavachan, fine. Sorry. Arughyanta. And equivalent
Arudhaha.
Yeah. Ashvaha, Arudaha, Nripatibhihi. Good. Next one. Lot Kartari.
Arudhantu.
Arohantu.
That's not Ruda, okay. Rohantu, Rohatu, Rogatam, Rohantu.
Arohantu.
Arohantu. Okay.
Arohantu. And karmani would be Lot Karmani.
Aruhyantam.
Aruhyantam.
Yeah, Nripatibhihi ashvaha arukyantam. Good.
Arukyantam.
And ling kartari. Rohetam, roheyuhu.
Arohye.
Roh.
Rohetam, aroheyuhu. Nripatayaha ashvan
Aroheyuhu.
aroheyuhu. Nripatibhihi ashvaha ling karmani
Aruhyeran.
Aruhyeran.
arukyeran. Very good. Agam palani kadami. Lat kartari. Now, lat karmani would be
Maya Palani.
Khadye.
No. Palani is karma. That will be keeping with karma only. That kriyapadam has to be Maya Palani. What?
Adhyamahe.
No. Not Kadyamake. Palani is a karma. In keeping with karma only. Karma is neither you nor me, right? Something else. Pratama Purusha. So Kadyante. Maya Palani Kadyante. See, if it is otherwise, suppose just for the sake of understanding, suppose Palam Mam Kadati. Yes. Then it would be Palam Mam Kadanti. Palena Agam Kadya, you can say. Understand? If fruit eats me, then I can say. But I'm the Agam is Karta, right? I'm the eater. Palani, the karma isn't been Pratama. So Palani, Maya Palani, Kadyante. See, when you become the object of action, then only you can corresponding the karmani forms of Uttama Purusha you can use. Otherwise, no. When you are not the object of action. Suppose Adhyapakaha Mam Tadayati, right? Yeah. So, Adhyapaka Mam Tadayati, Mam Prichati, then you can say. So, Agam Prichye Adhyapakena. You can say, I'm being questioned. I'm being questioned, yes. I'm questioned by the Acharya. You can ask. I mean, you can tell like that, okay. Then you become the object of action. You or aham or tvam. Then accordingly we have to use the lung form of that Purushan Vachana. But here it's Palani is neither you nor me. So that is Karmani, that will be Pratama. So Palani Kadyante only. Maya Palani
Palani Kadyante.
Kadyante. Fine. Then Lang Kartari would be Agam Palani,
Akhadam.
Agam Palani Akadam. Again keeping with Agam only. And the equivalent Tautu.
Maya Palani.
Not Maya.
Kadya.
We are doing Kartari only. Okay. Agam Palani Kadita Van.
Kaditavan.
Kaditavan.
Then Lang Karmani.
Maya
Maya Palani.
Akhadyata.
Kadyanta.
Khadyanta.
Maya Palani
Kadyanta.
Akadyanta. Equivalent Tauturu, the Tarupam. Maya Palani
Kaditavan.
Kaditani.
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 Palani being the object, which is the karma which is in Pratama Bhakti, therefore Kaditani, right? Okay. Then Lot Kartari. Agam Palani. It's interesting here.
Kadam.
Kadani. Kadani, Kadaga, Kadama, right? Agam Palani. Let me eat fruit. May I eat fruits? Lot Kartari, right? Bhavatu Bhavatam Bhavantu, Bhava Bhavatam Bhavata, Bhavani, Patani, Kadani, right? Agam Palani, Kadani. Now, Karmani would be Maya Palani.
Kadyantam.
Very good.
Kadyantam.
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 Yes. Ling Kartari.
Kadeyam.
Khadeyam.
Yeah, it is Agam Palani,
Kadeyam.
Kadeyam. Very good. Then Ling Karmani would be
Kadyeran.
Maya Palani, Kadyeran.
Kadyeran.
Next sentence. See now here, Tvam Vriksham Arohasi. Lat Kartari. Now, Karmani would be Tvam become Toya. Toya
Dukshaha.
Vrikshaha Arukhyate. Right? Now, Lang Kartari would be Tvam Vriksham Lang form. Tvam.
Arohata.
Arohat.
I don't know.
Dukshaha.
Arogaha. Aroha. Arohat,
Arogaha.
Arogatam, Arohan, Arogaha, Arogaha. Tvam Vriksham, Arogaha only. Right?
Arohaha.
Now, equivalent Tavatu would be Tvam Vriksham,
Arohayat.
Arudavan. Okay, we are doing Tavatu, equivalent
Tavatu, sorry.
Arudhavan.
Arudavan. Now, Lang Karmani would be
Arudayata.
Tvaya Vrikshaha Arukhyata.
Aruhyata.
Arukhyata. Tvaya Vrikshaha Arugyata.
Aruhyata.
Equivalent
Arudhaha.
Tvaya Vrikshaha Arudaha. Understand? Lot Kartari. Tvam Vriksham
Aruhyatam.
Arohata. Aroha. Aroha.
Aroha only. Baba, Pata, Aroha. It's command, right? Aroha. You climb. Right? Tvam Vriksham Aroha only. Okay. Now, Lot Kartari. Lot Karmani would be Tvaya Vrikshaha
Arohayatam.
Arugyatam. Not Ro. Rugdatu.
Arugyatam.
Rugyatam. No guna there. Arugyatam. Now, Ling. Tvam Vriksham
Aruhe.
Arohe.
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 Arohe. Then Ling Karmani would be Tvaya Vrikshaha
Aruyeta.
Aruhyeta.
Arukhyeta. But say all the last 8 sentences of the lesson is over. Then similarly, this is also another interesting. All these basic lessons, Karakas are introduced. And you can see here, that which is in Karanatritiya or as other Karaka, Just keep it as it is. Only karta and karma alone you see.
Hmm.
Avam shakatena griham gachavaha. Not kartari, right?
Hmm.
Here what you have to see, avam griham gachavaha
Griham
only.
gachavaha.
Shakatena you keep it aside.
Hmm.
So avam griham gachavaha. Not kartari. Now karmani would be shakatena. Just say for the sake of saying it is the shakatena.
Gacham.
Then
Griham agacham.
no. We are doing okay. We are doing let karmani. Okay. Let karmani.
Okay.
Avam.
Avam will become
Asmabhihi.
it is dvivachanam only. Avabhyam,
Avam.
right?
Avapyam.
Avam will become avabhyam.
Avapyam.
Aham avambayam. Mama avamna vasman ahamaya avabhyam. So
Avapyam.
shakatena avabhyam. Griham is griham only.
Griham.
Pratama vibhakti. Now in karmani. Griham. What will happen? Gamyate.
Gamyate.
We are doing karmani. Avabhyam griham gamyate. Katam shakatena. Understand? So griham gamyate avabhyam. Then lankartari would be avam shakatena avam griham
Gachava.
agachava.
Agachava.
Right? Gachavaha agachava. Right? And gachani gachava gachama also it is there in lot.
Hmm.
See, it is gachavaha gachamaha in lat. Agachava agachama in lung. And in lot gachava gachama no visarga. Is also not there. You can see this how it is. All these are connected. The sutram if you see. So we're doing a lung kartari. So therefore avam shakatena griham gachava. Sorry, agachava.
Agachava.
Oh, equivalent nishta pratyaya. Avam shakatena avam griham
Gatavantau.
gatavanto. Simple. You see.
Gatavanto.
Gatavanto. Now do the karmani, lung karmani of this sentence. Shakatena avabhyam griham.
Agachata.
Agamyat.
We're doing karmani, right? Okay. Agam.
Agamyat.
Agamye.
Agam. Agamyata.
Agamyata.
Griham agamyata avabhyam shakatena. Griham agamyata. Equivalent nishta would be
Gatau.
Gata.
Gatau. Gata.
Gatam.
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 Avabhyam shakatena griham gatam only.
Gatam.
Gatam.
Lot kartari. Avam shakatena griham.
Gachava.
Gachava. Gachava.
Yeah, avam shakatena griham gachava. That's what we said just now. Now karmani would be avabhyam shakatena griham. Griham
Gamyetam.
No, gamyatam only. It's correct only.
Gamyatam.
Yatam.
Karmani you are doing. Griham is ekavachanam. Gamyatam. Okay, then ling lakara. Ling kartari would be avam shakatena griham.
Gacheva.
Gacheva.
Gamyeyam.
Yeah, gacheva. Gacheva.
Gacheva.
And ling karmani would be
Gamyeta.
Gamyeta.
avabhyam
Gamyeta.
shakatena griham.
Gamyeta.
Gamyeta. Then yuvam naukaya nadim tarataha. Naukaya is karanatritya. That will not get affected. So yuvam nadim tarataha. Okay. So this is let kartari. Karmani would be let karmani. Naukaya yuvam naukaya. Not yuvam. Okay. You have to tell what is yuvam. Yuvabhyam. Naukaya yuvabhyam nadi. Through the, now you have to apply. Siryate. Right. That's what we learned. Now you have to apply. Through dhatu will become Tiryate.
Tiryate.
So nadi tiryate yuvabhyam naukaya. Okay. Now lang kartari would be yuvam naukaya nadi by 2. What is that?
Ataratam.
Ataratam. Equivalent ishta. Yuvam Naukaya Nadim.
Tirnavantam.
Exactly. Tirnavanto. Turu will become Tirnavan. Tirnavan, Tirnavanto. Yuvam Tirnavanto. Okay. Now, Lang Karmani would be Naukaya Yuvabhyam Nadi
Tiryata.
Atarata.
Atarata.
Atiryata.
Atiryata.
Atiriyata. Atiriyata.
Atiryata. Right? Equivalent Nishta.
Tirna.
Tirna. Nadi Tirna.
Tirna.
Yuvabhyam. Okay, yeah. Right?
Hmm.
Then Lot Kartari. Yuvam Naukaya Nadim.
Tiryatam.
No.
Taratam.
Taratam.
Lot.
Lot. Okay.
Taratam. Taratam.
Taratam only.
Taratam.
Now, Lot Karmani would be, you can say here, Yuvabhyam,
Tiryatam.
Naukaya Yuvabhyam, Nadi,
Tiryatam.
Tiryatam. That's correct.
Tiriyatam.
So, Link Kartari, Yuvam, Naukaya, Nadim,
Tiryatam.
Tiryatam. But we are doing Kartari. Yuvam.
Taritam.
Sorry.
Yeah. It is Taretam.
Taritam.
Then Karmani would be Yuvabhyam, Naukaya Yuvabhyam, Nadi,
Tiryata.
Tiryeta.
Yatam. Tiryata.
Tiryetam.
Tiryeta.
Because Nadi, Tiryeta. Yuvabhyam, Kabhyam, Yuvabhyam, Katam, Naukaya. Tiryeta. Nadi, Tiryeta. Navikah, Kshepanyam, Naukam, Kshepati. Kshepanya is Karana Tritiya. It's in Karana Tritiya. Fine. I'll leave it. So, Kshepanya, Navikah, Naukam, Kshepati. This is Lut Kartari. Karmani would be Shabdatu will become Kshipyate, right?
Yate.
Nauka Kshipyate.
Navike.
Navikena. Kshepanya Navikena Nauka Kshipyate. Now, Lang Kartari would be Navikah Kshepanya Nauka
Akshipat.
Akshipat.
Akshipat. Okay, there is
Akshipat.
Parasipajat Akshipat. Equivalent
Chiptavan.
Ishtarupam. Yeah. So, Navikah Kshiptavan. Nauka Kshiptavan. And Lang Karmani would be ship becomes
Akshipyata.
Akshipyata. So Nauka Akshipyata.
Akshipyata.
Kai Kena
Navikena.
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 Navikena. So
Navikena.
Kshepanya Navikena Nauka Akshipyata equivalent Nishtarupam. Nauka
Shiptam. Naukam.
Kshipta.
Shipta.
Shipta.
Navikena Kshepanya Nauka Kshipta.
Hmm.
Lot Kartari would be Nauka
Shipatu.
Kshipatu.
Shipatu.
Naukam Kshipatu. Sorry. Navikaha Naukam Kshipatu. Kshepanya. Then Karmani would be Nauka Navikena
Yatam.
Kshipyata.
Akshipyatam.
Ling Kartari would be Navikaka Kshepanya Naukam
Shipyeta.
Shipet.
Shipet. Shipet.
Shipet. And Ling Karmani would be Karmani now.
Shipyeta.
Navikena Kshepanya Navikena Nauka
Akshipyeta.
Shipyeta.
Shipyeta. Okay. Then next sentence. Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabhau Tadayat. Kashaya Karanadritya. So leave it. Kashaya Shakatikaha Vrishabhau Tadayati Lat Kartani. Now,
Tadayate.
so Karmani would be Tadyate.
Tadyate.
Vadyate.
And
Shakatike.
not Tadyate. Tadyate. Karmani you are doing. Vrishabhau is Karma is Dvivachanam here.
Tadyate.
Kashaya Shakatikena
Tadyate.
Vrishabhau Tadyate. So remember, now when you do now, you have to remember this Dvivachanam. Now, Lang Kartari would be
Atadayat.
Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabhau
Atadayat.
Tadayatam.
Atadayatam. Now,
Atadayata.
equivalent Nishta Pratyaya would be
Atadayata.
Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabhau Taditavan.
Oh.
Okay. Now, Lang Karmani would be Kashaya Shakatikena Vrishabhau Karmani.
Atadayetam.
Yeah. So it is Karmani now. Okay. Atadyetam. Atadyetam, sorry. Atadyetam. Atadyetam, right? It is, we are doing, yeah, Vrishabha. Vrishabha is Dvivachanam. So therefore, Atadyetam. Atadyetam. Yeah,
Tadyetam.
plus itam, Atadyetam. Yeah, because itam, but it's, yeah, Atadyetam. Then equivalent, Nishta Pratyaya Rupa.
Taditau.
Shakatikena Kashaya Vrishabha.
Taditau.
Taditau. Yes. Then, Lot Kartari. Shakatikah Kashaya Vrishabha.
Tadyatu.
Tadayatu.
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 Tadayatu. Then, Lot Karmani would be,
Tadyetam.
here it is Dvivachanam, right? So Lot. Tadyetam. It becomes like that. Tadyetam already, that in Lang Lakara is Atadyetam. Here it is Tadyet. Right? Shakatikena Kashaya Vrishabha. Tadyetam. That is then Ling. Shakatikah Kashaya Vrishabha.
Tadyet.
Tadyet.
Tadayet. Right? Then Karmani would be Shakatikena Kashaya Vrishabha.
Tadyeyetam.
Tadyayatam.
Tadyeyatam. Right?
Yeah.
Tadyayatam.
Because Iyatam, then Yeyatam, then Tadyayatam would be. Then Shakatam. Okay, here karma not there. Okay. Shakatam, therefore Bhave Prayoga. Okay, remember. Shakatam Chakrabhyam Gacchati. Shakatam Gacchati. Chakrabhyam is Karana.
Karana Tritiya.
So Lat Klakara is Shakatam Gacchati. Lat Karmani would be Shakatam
Chakrabhyam Gachet.
Chakrabhyam Gamyate. We are doing Lat Kartari, simple, right?
Samyate.
Then Lang Kartari would be Shakatam Chakrabhyam
Agachat.
Agachat.
Agachat. Now, Karmani would be
Agamyat.
Gacyetam.
Gamyata.
Gamyetam.
Agamyata.
Agamyata.
Agamyetam.
We are doing what Lakara? Let Karmani, right?
Lang Karmani.
Lang Karmani.
Lang Kartari we have done. No?
Lang Kartari. Lang
Shakatam
Karmani.
Agachat. Oh, Lang Karmani, okay. So Lang Kartari we did, but we didn't do Nishta Rupam. So Shakatam Chakrabhyam.
Shakatam Katavan.
No. Gatavat, because, okay.
Gatavat. Naputsam.
Napumsakalinga. Gatavat.
Gatavat.
Now we can tell Lang Karmani.
Agamyata.
Agamyata.
Agamyata. Shakatena Agamyata, we have to say. Oh, even Lat Kartari we did that mistake. Chakrabhyam Shakatena Gamyate. Okay. I think we say Shakatam is Karta. Okay. So therefore Shakrabhyam Shakatena Gamyate. Please. See, I thought Shakatam is karma. Something. Shakatena Gamyate. Bhave Prayoga. In Lat Kartari, Shakatena Gamyate. Understand? Shakatena Gamyate. And in Lang Karmani, Shakatena
Agamyata.
Gata. Okay. Oh, you're doing Karmani, yes. Lang Karmani is Agamyata. Shakatena, Chakrabhyam Shakatena Agamyata. Equivalent Nishta Rupam would be
Katam.
Gatam. Chakrabhyam Shakatena Gatam would be. Okay. Then Lot Kartari. Karta is Shakata. Okay. Shakatam Gacchati. Shakatam Gacchatu. Chakrabhyam Shakatam Gacchatu. Then Karmani would be Lot Karmani. Chakrabhyam Shakatam
Gamyatam.
Gamyatam. Then Ling Shakatam Chakrabhyam Kartari.
Gachet.
Gachet.
And Karmani would be Ling Karmani Shakatam Chakrabhyam Shakatam
Gamyeta.
Gamyeta. Very good. Lata Pushpaihi Lasati. Lat Kartari. Okay.
Lata Lasati.
So here Pushpaihi is
Karana.
again not it is something like Karana Lata Pushpaihi. Shines, therefore it will not undergo any change. So the Lata Lasati. Simple. Lata Lasati. Then Karmani would be Lata
लत्या
Lasyate.
लत्या
लस्यते
Yeah, because dhatu is less dhatu.
हम्म,
Then lang kartari would be lata,
अलसत
अलसत्
alasat, alasat. Equivalent ishtarupam lata,
लसितवती
lasitavati. That's good. Then lang would be lata, not lata. Okay, lata.
लत्या
Yeah, this is something. Lataya, not latya. Lataya.
लतया
Pushpaihi lataya.
Alapyata.
अलसत
Oh, the same thing for let karmani also. Did we say? Okay. Karmani. I don't know what did I say in karmani. Let karmani also. Pushpaihi lata, lataya. Lasyate only you have to say. I said lata lasyate, I think. Okay. Mistake. Pushpaihi lata lasyate only let karmani. The same thing here, lang karmani. Lang karmani pushpaihi lataya becomes alas. I mean, first alas karmani kartari we have done. Alasat. Now here would be
अलस्यत
alasyat. Alasyata.
लस्यत
अलस्यत
So lataya alasyata pushpaihi. Equivalent nishtarupam would be pushpaihi lataya lasitam. Lasitam only because it is karma not there. We have to use lasitam. Lataya lasitam. Okay. Lot would be lata lasatu.
लसतु
Pushpaihi lata lasatu. Karmani pushpaihi lataya. Make it otherwise.
लस्यताम्
Lasyatam. Ling would be lata.
लस्येत
लसेत्
Lata laset. Lataya
लस्येत
Liran.
लस्येत
lata las. Pushpaihi lata lasyeta.
Pushpa.
Balakaha.
No,
Balakaha. Astena chandram akhvayati. So astena it is karana. So balakaha chandram akhvayati. Astena balakaha chandram akhvayati. That is the sentence. Let kartari. Now karmani would be astena balakena. Okay, make it again. Otherwise we will say balaka. Balakena chandraha.
आहूयते
आहूयते
Yeah, who dhatu we saw. Range dhatu, right?
आहूयते
Yeah. You know, samprasavanam happens and vakara becoming ukara and who will become dirgha like chiyate, right? Who ahuyate. Chandraha ahuyate balakena astena balakena chandraha ahuyate. Okay. Now, lang kartari would be
आवयत
balakaha
Ahvayat.
astena chandram
आवयत
आहवयत्
ahvayat
आहवयत्
because parasmapadi, right? Ahvayat. Equivalent nishtarupam. Balakaha Astena balakah chandram ahutavan.
आहूतवान्
आहूतवान्
Then karmani astena balakena chandraha
Ahuyata.
आवयत
आहूयत
आवयत
ahvayata.
Ahuyata.
Ahuyata. Sorry. Who becomes right? Ahuyata, not ahvayata. Ahuyata. That's correct. And equivalent ishtarupam.
आहूतः
Chandraha ahutaha balakena astena. Then lot kartari. Balakaha
आहवयत्
आवयतु
आहवयतु
ahvayatu. And karmani balakena chandraha
आवयताम्
ahuyatam.
आहूयताम्
Yeah, yeah. This is something confusing because yeah, you said ahuyatam. Ling would be balakaha chandram
आवयेत्
Ahuyet.
ahvayet. This kartari is ahvayet.
आहवयत्
Karmani
Ahuyet.
balakena chandraha
आहे
ahu
आहूयत
huyeta ahuyeta.
Ahuyeta.
Janaha padabhyam gachanti. Padabhyam karna. Padabhyam janaha gachanti. Let kartari. And let karmani would be padabhyam janaihi
Gamyate.
gamyate only because karma
Gamyate.
not there. You have to always use pratama vibhakti ekavachanam gamyate. Okay, then lang would be lang kartari. Janaha padabhyam Simple.
Agachan.
Agachan.
Gatavan.
Gachan.
Equivalent
Agachan.
to equivalent is gatavantaha.
गतवन्तः.
Janaha padabhyam gatavantaha. Then karmani. Janehi padabhyam janehi
Gata.
गम्यत. अगम्यत.
agamyata.
Agamyata.
अगम्यत.
Equivalent ishtarupam
Gata.
gatam.
Gatam.
Janehi gatam.
Janaihi gatam.
Lot would be janaha gachantu.
गच्छन्तु.
Janehi gamyatam.
गम्यत.
This is simple. Janaha gacheyuhu.
गच्छेयुः.
Linkartari. Janehi
Gaccheta.
गम्येत.
Gamyeta.
Eta.
gamyeta. Nari patya vilasati. Patya nari vilasati. Latkartari. Then karmani would be narya
Vilasyate.
Vilapyate.
vilasyate. Then lang kartari. Nari
Avilasat.
अविलसत्.
no, not avin. You should not add a before the upasarga. It is
Hmm.
alasat, then add visarga before. Vyalasat it becomes.
Vyalasat.
Nari vyalasat. That's a rule. Okay. I mean,
Hmm.
this is a common sense also because atagama should come for the dhatu only, not for the upasarga. Upasarga added later. So narya vyalasat. That is
Vyalasat.
that is that is langa, right? Langa kartari. Now equivalent ishtarupa.
Sorry, Guruji. Is it V alasat? Is it?
No. Yeah. V plus alasat. Yeah, vyalasat. Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is they did lang kartari. Equivalent ishtarupam would be
Vilasavati.
nari vilasit. We are doing nari vilasitavati. Nari vyalasat. Nari vilasitavati. Now karmani would be narya
Avilya.
lang
Vyalasata.
vyalasata.
विलसत.
Vyalasata. Narya vyalasata. Narya equivalent and ishtarupam. Narya vyalasitam.
Vilasata.
Load kartari. Nari vilasatu.
Vilasatu.
Narya
Vilasyatam.
vilasyatam. Ling would be
Vilasyatam.
nari vilase.
Vilasyet.
विलसेत्.
Narya vilasyeta.
विलस्येत.
Vilasyeta.
Two results done. Yeah, chaturthi will be the chaturthi. Leave it. Chaturthi any other karka. Dhenavaha vatsebhyaha kshiram vitaranti. Dhatu is
V plus Tur Vitaranti.
Tri dhatu. Taranti. Okay. So therefore karmani would be tiryate. Remember that. Tiryata, or those form. So dhenavaha, say, vatsebhyaha dhenavaha kshiram vitaranti. Lat kartari. Now, let karmani would be V plus A. Remember that.
Shira.
Dhenavaha vyataran.
Vyataran.
Dhenavaha kshiram vyataran. Remove V. Just what you get? Ataran.
Ataran.
Then add after that V. You get vyataran. So dhenavaha kshiram vyataran. Okay. We are doing lung, right? Oh, sorry. Lat karmani we have not done it.
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I didn't. So lat kartari is dhenavaha vitaranti. Lat kartari. Lat karmani would be dhenavaha will become vatsebhyaha. Kshiram is only. Dhenavaha will become dhenubhihi.
Dhenubhihi.
What is the shabda? Mukarada shabda, like?
Dhenu.
Yeah. So dhenubhihi. Dhenubhihi.
Vatsebhyaha.
Vatsebhyaha dhenubhihi kshiram vitiryate. Becomes vitiryate. Okay. So that is lat karmani. Yeah. Tiryate, vitiryate, right? V plus then tiryate. Through dhatu, right? Tarati. So tiryate, kshiram vitirate. Three to cross over, but V means here it is sense of giving. Okay, vitiryate. That is let kartari. Now lung, let karmani we did. Now lung kartari. Kartari. So denavaha kshiram, here you can say vyataran.
Vyataran.
Vyataran. Now karmani. Okay, sorry, equivalent nishtarupam. Vitirna.
One.
Vitirnavantaha.
Vitirnavantaha.
Vitirnavantaha. Denavaha kshiram vitirnavantaha. Now let us do lung karmani. Denubihi kshiram. Lung karmani become V plus A H vya. So therefore
Vyatarata.
it becomes Vyatir Yatha. Okay.
Yatirya.
Two things we have to do. One is Sandhi V plus the A, that Vya. Then Tri Dhatu become Tir, Tirya. So Tirya is a form, right? Tiryate, Atiryata. So Vyatiryata.
Vitirata.
So Denubihi Kshiram Vyatiryata. Equivalent Ishtarupam. Vitirnam. Denubihi Kshiram Vitirnam, right? Then lot would be Denavaha Kshiram
Vitarantu.
Vitarantu Kartari Vitarantu Karmani. Denubihi Kshiram
Vitiryatam.
Vitiryatam. Good. Then Ling Kartari. Denavaha Kshiram.
Vitiryet.
No. Vitare Yuhu.
Vitare.
Then Denubihi Kshiram
Vitiryet.
Vitiryeta.
Vitiryeta.
Vitiryeta. Vyagraha Brahmyati. That is the sentence. Aharaya Vyagraha Brahmyati. Dhatu. So becomes Brahmyati. So Vyagraha Brahmyati Kartari Lat. Karmani Lat would be Vyagrain Aharaya Vyagraina
Brahmyate.
Brahmyate. So we can take this is this is fourth Gana. Brahmdhatu is in both the Gana. So first Gana also it is.
Brahmyate or Brahmyate, Guruji?
No, first Gana it is becomes like Dirga also. Okay.
Okay.
It's a rule. Brahmdhatu, it's one of the in the Shamadhi Gana, Antar Gana.
Yeah,
Dirgatam also happens. And it can take Shap also, Shan also. So optionality is there. So we have Brahmati and Brahmyati. Brahmyati also. Brahmati, Brahmyati. Three forms are there. Brahmati by taking the Shap, Brahmyati by this, and Brahmyati also it is there. So three forms actually. Because it is in the Dhatu is in both the Gana, and we have choice there. Anyway, we have seen that in the. Here we can take fourth. Just take Brahmyati. Brahmya is a fourth Gana. So it will become easy. Fourth Gana, Dhatu. So Brahmyate, simple. Replace iti by te, apanipadi. So Vyagrena Brahmyate. Now lung kartari would be Vyagrena, Aharaya Vyagrena. Abramyata.
Abramyata.
Equivalent Nishtarupam. Vyagrena Aharaya. Brahmitavan. The Brahm will become Brahmizidhatu. Okay, Brahm, it will be just Brahmitavan. And lung karmani. Vyagre Aharaya Vyagrena. Abramyata. Vyagrena Aharaya. Now, Nishtarupam. Brahmitam. Yeah, Brahmitam. Vyagrena Brahmitam. Lot. Vyagraha Aharaya Kartari.
Brahmyatu.
Karmani.
Brahmyatu or Brahmatu?
Brahmyatu.
Brahmyatu
also one form is there. That is also, but here only we are taking. So that part alone you take Brahmyatu. Vyagraha Aharaya Brahmyatu. Vyagrena Aharaya Brahmyatam. Lot Karmani. Then Ling. Vyagraha Aharaya
भ्राम्येत्
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 व्याघ्रः आहाराय भ्राम्येत् व्याघ्रेण आहाराय
भ्राम्येत
भ्राम्येत बालिकाः अध्ययनाय पाठालयं गच्छति अध्ययनाय चतुर्थी
बालिकाः
तादर्थे चतुर्थी अध्ययनाय बालिकाः पाठालयं गच्छन्ति so कर्तरि लट् कर्तरि कर्मणि would be अध्ययनाय बालि काभिः पाठालयः
गम्येत
गम्यते लट् only लङ् कर्तरि अध्ययनाय बालिकाः पाठालयम् अगच्छन् इक्वलेंट बालिकाः अध्ययनाय पाठालयं
गतवन्तः
गतवत्यः गतवत्यः no लङ् लङ् कर्मणि we have to do बालिकाभिः अध्ययनाय पाठालयः अगम्यत
अगम्यत
equivalent would be बालिकाभिः अध्ययनाय पाठालयः
गतवतं
पाठालयः गतः
गतः
now लोट् बालिकाः
गच्छन्तु
गच्छन्तु बालिकाभिः पाठालयः
गम्यताम्
लोट् कर्मणि लिङ् लकार बालिकाः पाठालयं गच्छेयुः बालिकाभिः पाठालयः
गम्येत
गम्येत बालकाः पुष्पाय उद्यानं भ्रजन्ति so बालकाः उद्यानं भ्रजन्ति बालकाः व्रजन्ति उद्यानं लट् कर्तरि लट् कर्मणि would be बालकाः is there okay बाल विन् पुलिङ्ग बालकैः उद्यानं व्रज्यते व्रज धातु does it undergo any change no this is व्रज्यते only then let sorry लङ् कर्तरि बालकाः पुष्पाय उद्यानम् अव्रजन् इक्वलेंट इष्टारूपं
रचितवन्तः
yeah I think व्रज धातु व्रजितवन्तः yakara will not undergo anything it like set agama set pratyaya will come with it so balikaah vrajitavantah now lang कर्मणि बालकैः sorry बालकैः पुष्पाय उद्यानम्
अव्रजयत
अव्रजत
अव्रज्यत doing lang कर्मणि then बालकैः पुष्पाय उद्यानम् equivalent निष्ठारूपं would be
व्रजितम्
उद्यानं व्रजितं लोट् बालकाः व्रजन्तु बालकैः उद्यानं व्रज्यतां बालकाः उद्यानं कर्तरि व्रजेयुः okay then बालकैः व्रजेत वयं नदीं गच्छामः लट् कर्तरि लट् कर्मणि would be वयं become अस्माभिः नदी
गम्यते
very good अस्माभिः गम्यते first कर्तरि should be very clear अस्माभिः गम्यते कुत्र नदी अस्माभिः नदी गम्यते then लङ् कर्तरि would be वयं जलाय नदीं
गच्छामः
so it becomes agacchama and equivalent निष्ठारूपं वयं जलाय नदीं निष्ठारूपं वयं जलाय नदीं गतवन्तः now we can do लङ् कर्मणि अस्माभिः जलाय नदी अगम्यत अस्माभिः जलाय नदी गता okay लोट् लकार वयं नदीं गच्छामः लिङ् लकार वयं नदीं
गम्यताम्
no first is कर्तरि okay Fine. When Asmabhiki then will come. Okay, okay, say. Vayam Nadi, Nadim, Link Kartari.
लिंक
लिङ्ग् गम्येव
No. Gachema.
गच्छेव sorry
गच्छेम
Gachema. Asmabhiki Nadi. Now you can say
गम्येत
Gamyeta. Jalaya Nadi Asmabhiki Gamyeta. Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Trunam Yachata. Yuyam Trunam Yachata. Okay. Yuyam Trunam Yachata Lat Kartari. Now Karmani would be Yuyam become Yushmabhiki. Yushmabhiki Trunam only. Form is same for both Prathama and Dvitiya. Trunam Dhatu is Da Dhatu. Da only will become H. Okay. You have to remember Karmani. Akara da Dhatu now. Da will become Yushmabhiki Trunam Diyate.
दीयते
दीयते
Yes. So Lat Kartari would be Diyate. Trunam Diyate Yushmabhiki. Lang would be Lang Kartari would be Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Trunam would be
यच्छत अच्छ
यच्छत
I will be there, right? Ayachata.
अयच्छत
Because Ayachaha, Ayachatam, Ayachata. Yuyam Ayachata. Trunam Ayachata. Equivalent.
दत्तवन्तः
Yeah, Da will become Yuyam Trunam Dattavantaha. Now, Karmani, Lang Karmani would be Yushmabhihi Trunam.
ऋणम्
Da
अयच्छत
become Adiyata.
अधीयत
अधीयत
Lang Kartari.
अधीयत
Equivalent would be Nishtarupam
दत्तं
Dattam. Yushmabhihi Trunam Dattam. We use that frequently. Dattam. Kena Dattam Yushmabhihi. Kaihi Yushmabhihi Trunam Dattam. Then Lot Lakara. Yuyam Trunam Kartari.
यच्छत
Yuyam. Yeah, Yachata. Yes. Then Karmani would be Yuyam Trunam Diyatam. Okay.
Diyatam.
Dhatu is originally Da plus Yak plus Ta. Da become Diyatam. Then Kartari, Ling. Yuyam Trunam. Yuyam Trunam.
यच्छेत
Yeah.
यच्छेत
Echeta. Then Karmani would be Yushmabhihi Trunam
अधीयत
Adiyata. Adiyeta, right?
अधीयत
Diyeta. Vayam Jnanaya Patamaha.
वयं
Vayam
पठामः
Patamaha. We take Vayam Patamaha Kartari Lat. Asmabhihi
पठ्यते
Patyate. Simple. And Lang Karmani would be Vayam Jnanaya
पठाम अपठाम
Apatama, right?
पठाम
Then equivalent would be Vayam
पठितवन्तः
Patitavantaha. Lang Karmani would be Asmabhihi Jnanaya Asmabhihi
अपठत्
Apathyata.
अपठ्यत
Equivalent Nishtarupam.
पठितः
Patitam.
पठितं
Asmabhihi Patitam. Lot would be Vayam Jnanaya Patama. Patama only. Asmabhihi Jnanaya Lot.
पठ्यताम्
Patyatam. Ling Lakara. Vayam Jnanaya
पठ्येम
Yeah. Patema.
पठेम
Patema. Asmabhihi Jnanaya Patyema.
पठ्येत
Sorry.
Patyeta.
Patyeta. Kshamita. Patyeta.
पठ्येत
Janaha Dhanaya Deshantaram Gachanti. Dhanaya leave it. Janaha Deshantaram. Deshantaram is karma. Anya Deshaha Deshantaram Dvitiya Vibhakti. Anya Deshaha Deshantaram Tatpurusha compound. So you can decline Deshantaram because Tatpurusha compound. 1 minute. Yeah, it's a noun. It's a noun. Deshantaram. It's in Napumsakalinga. That's why I want to check the linga. Okay. Janaha Anya Desham. Anya Desha is Pullinga. Suppose if we say Anya Desha means it's Pullinga. But Deshantaram is Antara is Napumsakalinga. Deshantaram Gachanti. Fine. Anyway. Janaha Deshantaram Gachanti Lat Kartari. Karmani would be Janaha Janaihi
गम्यन्ते
Deshantaram Gamyate.
गम्यते
Gamyate.
Gamyate or Gamyante, Guruji?
Gamyate. Deshantaram.
Oh, it's a single. Okay.
Singular only. Gamyate.
Okay. Okay.
Then Lang Kartari. Janaha Danaya Deshantaram.
Agachan.
गच्छन्
Equivalent would be Nishtarupam.
Gatavan.
गतवन्तः
Janaihi Danaya Deshantaram. Lang Karmani.
Agachata.
Agamyata.
Agamyata.
Equivalent would be
Gatam.
Deshantaram Gatam
Gatam.
Janaihi. Janaihi Deshantaram Gatam Danaya. Lot. Janaha Danaya Deshantaram.
गच्छन्तु
Gachantu.
Gachantu. Janaihi Deshantaram.
Gamyatam.
गम्यताम्
Ling would be Janaha Danaya Deshantaram.
गच्छेयुः
Gaccheyuhu. Now, Karmani, Ling Karmani would be Janaihi Deshantaram.
Gamyata.
गम्येत
Gamyeta. Last one. I think we will stop. Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Echanti. So, Balaha Dhanam Echanti. Dadat. Latkartari. Karmani would be Balaihi. Balaha Pullinga or Sringa, whatever you can take.
Dhanam
Your choice.
diyate.
Diyate.
दीयते
So, Balaihi Dhanam
Diyate.
Diyate.
दीयते
Then Lang Kartari would be Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam
Ayachan.
Ayachan.
यच्छन्
Equivalent would be
Dattavan.
Dattavantaha. Balaha Dhanam Dattavantaha. Now, Lang Karmani would be Balaihi Vidyayai Dhanam
Adiyata.
Adiyata.
Singular.
Adiyata.
Adiyata.
Adiyata. Okay. And equivalent would be Dhanam
Dhanam Dattam.
Balaihi Dhanam Dattam.
धनं
Load.
दत्तं
Yeah. Load. Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Yachantu.
Yachantu.
यच्छन्तु
Balaihi Dhanam
Diyatam.
दीयताम्
Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Ling Lakara Kartari.
यच्छेयुः
Echeyuhu. Right? Balaha. Balaihi Vidyayai Dhanam
Diyeta.
Diyeta.
दीयेत
Diyeta. Very good. If you practice like that, all the lessons.
Yes,
Straight out.
Guruji. That will be fantastic.
So we'll stop here. Ashtava Pata. Remember the lesson number. You can tell me in the next class.
Okay.
And meanwhile, you can do the homework if you have from this.
We haven't
Lot
yet
of-
started, Guruji.
We did we started some lessons. We did actually didn't continue after that.
Lesson 7.
7.
No, you can lesson 7 we are not started, but you can do these changes.
Karmani and all from the first time. First
Yeah,
chapter.
for the first lesson you can leave it. First lesson is just something. The third lesson onwards you can do. Because karma also I think is not the second lesson. From third lesson you will have karma, karta will be there. So here onwards you can try. Sanskrit is there, English to Sanskritam already we have done. So if you have the translation, you can do. Or will be good practice. So using this Nishta Pratyaya will be, we'll see the application of it. 2 in 1. Karmani as well as Nishta Pratyaya form also.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
This you can do, keep doing. We will see after finishing the infant reader all the Karmani. From here, it will take some time. If we do 3 lessons, next class will be 3 lessons. Like that, we'll do complete all the Karmani Rupam. And meanwhile, you be prepared with the 7. And after that, we can continue other lessons. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
धन्यवादः
Dhanyavadah.